Progress is a way of life in America, fast-moving and constantly changing. I'm Greg Gumbel, and from business to technology, from the bustling cities to the peaceful suburbs, we're going to take you coast to coast, showing you today what you're going to be talking about tomorrow. Welcome to Eye on America. Today's companies are looking to find a good balance between technology and the environment. Let's take a look at how new technology is offering modern solutions.
Water. It covers 4/5 of our planet, and all living creatures need it. People must have water in order to survive. But in one of nature's most poignant ironies, although the human body is 80% water, and that water content tends to be almost as salty as seawater, we can only tolerate drinking fresh water with just a trace of salt in it. The answer, since early times, has been to remove the salt from the water. It's called desalination. This must be done in quantities that will meet the needs of the population and at a plant that's located close to where these people live.
One of the most cost-effective methods to convert seawater to drinking water is the utilization of reverse osmosis technology. This technology has been within industry for many years and is now affordable such that it can compete with pumping fresh water from wells from long distances, and also competes with the purification of difficult-to-process surface waters.
In the reverse osmosis system, salt water is fed into a chamber under pressure, and a semi-permeable membrane allows some water to go through while holding back most of the salt. Part of the energy used to pump the water under pressure can be salvaged and applied back into the system in order to save on power consumption. New developments in high-pressure pumps and energy recovery devices have allowed much smaller and much more efficient desalination systems. These systems help small islands with no freshwater sources to sustain a population or a modern resort complex. Ships at sea and oil exploration platforms need a reliable source of fresh, potable water for their crews. In many parts of the world, there is not enough fresh water for the population, so other sources must be found, notably drawing water from the sea. While this is critical in the third world, increasingly there is a developing need for greater supplies of water in major first world locations. California and the American Southwest offer a prime example. In each of these applications, there are similar requirements. Low cost in terms of initial capital outlay and ongoing running costs is a primary factor in most instances, but especially in the case of third world populations. The system must be easy to use and maintain so that it can be efficiently operated by local staff without requiring intensive training. A relatively small footprint is necessary in restricted spaces such as those found on board ships and ocean platforms. And when people rely on these systems for their survival, reliability and long trouble-free operation is vital.
FEDCO energy recovery device is very cost-effective from an installation, from a capital cost, and also from a standpoint of lowest operating cost, maintenance cost. The system is computer-generated design such that it'll retain and maintain your energy consumption at the lowest possible cost.
Today's manufacturing methods result in components that meet exceptionally high standards. Parts are custom built to the exact needs of each customer using advanced computer software and computer-controlled machining centers. The resulting products are carefully measured for dimensional accuracy and checked for compliance with specifications. They are shipped all over the world, so the specifications must be met exactly. Through advanced fluid flow analysis, the flow path of the water is optimized throughout the system to assure maximum efficiency. The result is clear, clean, fresh drinking water available anywhere, whether or not there's a readily available natural source.
Our equipment can be found in 38 countries on 6 continents. It can also be found on the world's oceans, on cruise liners, offshore platforms, fishing vessels of all types. Our equipment has been widely received because it allows the water to be desalinized at the lowest possible cost. And this makes clean, fresh water affordable for anyone who needs it.
To learn more about this story, please visit Fluid Equipment's website at fedco-usa.com.